The name Modus, we kind of wanted to call it Method, but Method is a pretty commonly used name for businesses. So Modus is essentially the Latin word for method, or like modus operandi sort of thing, kind of like that kind of vein.
Yeah.
Beginning, we just kind of started. It was just on the side, just roasting out of like a 50 square foot space, just selling online and wholesale. And then after 2 years of looking, we finally found the shop space and kind of built it with not a whole lot of money, and yeah, kind of pieced it together as we go, essentially. The focus for Modus, I think, is kind of the same it's always been. It's my partner and I wanted to make specialty coffee a little more accessible for everyone. So we kind of do that through like the way the menu is designed, and education and consistency. So we don't really do any blends, but we have kind of single origin profiles, and then those profiles all sort of represent a sort of taste in specialty coffee. So pretty much the profile's all still the same, but we kind of rotate through seasonally slotting in different origins for those coffees. So people kind of get the same experience even if they're coming back like 3 months or 6 months later, but it's a different coffee. And yeah, I think just building on that over the years, it's kind of grown the company a little bit more intentionally, I guess.